guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I am going to be showing you how I make beard balms inside of my tiny house. I have a business called Goddess of Herbs. You guys can check out that link right here, and I'll put it in the description below, where I make and sell herbal remedies and natural products, as well as crystals and natural stone jewelry. I'm going to be making beard balms because I ran out from my business, and anything that we don't fit into the 2-ounce jars, we're going to be doing some samples. If you guys remember that sample video, you guys can check it out right here, where I made like 3 sets of samples. If I make a product and I have anything left over, I usually put it into samples anyway. So let's get started. These are all the ingredients we are going to be working with today. I've got my oils over there for one of them. I've got the other 2 oils over there. We're going to be making 3 different kinds. You guys can see I've got 6 little containers there waiting. I also have the shea butter already melting, as well as the beeswax already melting. Now, because I'm making 3 different kinds, I'm going to be putting the oils in there now, because I'm making the batch of the oils all together, and then I'm going to make 2 of each kind. So I'm just going to put the oils in there now. So this one, we're making patchouli. With these 5, we're going to be making spiced. So we've got rosemary, eucalyptus, lemon, cinnamon, and clove. This will make spiced. And then last but not least, we have tea tree and lime. Now we are going to be adding our other oils. Now we are done with the oil, so we're just gonna mix this up. I had already put the coconut oil in there. Takes a long time doing this, but obviously I don't know how to pour through a funnel, so we're gonna have to take the time to do this, because with the funnel it seemed like it just got everywhere. Now the tea tree lime one, which is this one, is going to be lighter because the essential oils are clear as opposed to this dark yellow that some of the oils have. The richness of like the cinnamon and clove for this, and the patchouli. But the tea tree and the lime were both clear, so those both went in here. All right, we have some left over, so what we're going to do is make samples. I ended up putting the spiced scents and all the oils inside this pan after I was done filling the jars. So we're going to be doing spiced beard balm samples. All right, we have a lot left, so I'm gonna go see if I can find another jar. Be right back. All right, I ended up finding another one, and I filled it, and then I set up a couple more of these so I can fill these as well. I pre-print my labels on my printer. So as you guys can see, I pre-print them. And I also pre-print my sample labels. So as you can see right there, there's some Beard Balm sample labels, as well as inserts that we're going to be using. So we're going to pull those out. It's tedious, but I'd rather have the people know what the product is and what the ingredients are than to just throw a product in a bag. Now I am putting those stickers on, which is just my logo. And I want to do this so that if they don't have this little piece of paper with them that shows my logo on there of where they got it from, this little sticker wasn't on there, then, you know, if they like this, they might be like, oh, who did I get this from? And they wouldn't know, so that's why I put this on the product as well. Again, these things are tedious, but in the end it pays off. Woo-hoo-hoo! These little inserts say what the ingredients are in there so that the people know before they order, just in case they might be allergic to something or don't like a certain ingredient. These are fairly cheap and you can buy them in bulk. I get them like 100 at a time. And I usually do, since my business colors are pink and purple, I usually do purple bags, but then I'll also do white bags for differentiating either men's products, or I guess if I run out, I had the little white ones. I guess I could do pink, I guess I could do teal for my house, but since the logo has pink and purple, that's why I chose the purple bags. I'm gonna have to print more, so I will do the rest of those later. Now we are going to work on labeling these. Now our last step is going to be to put seals on them. So I'm actually going to have to get the blow dryer. We're going to set these up. There are some times when that messes up like that, so you gotta throw it away and get another one. And there you have it, a sealed product. We just made 7 beard balms and a bunch of samples. Yeah, so how was that? Fun, right? So working in a small space can be challenging. I decided to bring my business into this tiny home because it is my passion and my business and my livelihood. So I needed to make sure I was going to have space to work and do this. When I first came in this tiny house, I did not know if I was going to have the space to do it, but as you guys can see, clearly I do have enough room, with a couple complications with the supplies sitting all over the counter. So big tip, clean as you go, and don't be afraid to bring your business inside your tiny house if you have one, because it can totally work. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel below if you want to get more lifestyle videos on how to live in a tiny house, the real life stuff. And click that notifications bell in order to receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. I'm going to be making some beard balms for you guys. If any of you guys know me, you guys know that I am crazy about beards. So yeah, I spilled the first batch. Had to clean it up. Damn it, and I frickin' spilled it again. Because I put it in this bowl and the whole thing melted and fell on the floor. This sucks. 2 batches wasted.